All right, buckle up, everyone. Ever wondered why a computer geek can't play hide and seek? Because good luck hiding when they've got all those coordinates. Haha. Today we're calculating the distance between 2 points on a graph. Let's get started, and remember, if you need a moment to think, feel free to pause the video anytime. Here we go. We're given 2 points, labelled A and B. Point A is at coordinates 1 and 2, while point B sits at -3 and 5. And our goal? Find the straight line distance between them. Now, the formula to find the distance between 2 points is, drumroll please, the square root of the change in x squared plus the change in y squared. That's a lot of words, so it's up on the slide for you to refer to. When you're ready, let's turn to the next slide. Okay, now we're putting the coordinates into our formula, starting with point A, which is 1 and 2, and point B, which is -3 and 5. Here's what we do. Take the x-coordinate of point B, which is -3, and subtract the x-coordinate of point A, which is 1. That gives us -4. Then we move on to the y-coordinates. Take the y of B, which is 5, and subtract the y of A, which is 2, and we get 3. So we have -4 and 3. Now we square these results. -4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9. Add 16 and 9, and we get 25. The distance is the square root of 25, which gives us 5 units. Take a look at the visual on the right, where you can see points A and B connected with a straight line and the distance labelled. If you need to pause to go over any steps, feel free. All right, let's summarise what we did. Given 2 points on a graph, A and B, we used the distance formula to find the straight line distance between them. After substituting values and simplifying, we found the distance between these points is 5 units. This formula is a quick way to measure how far apart 2 points are in any coordinate space. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about distances today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun tutorials. See you next time. We've come 5 units and we'll go 5 more.